it was a real pleasure for us, for all the Femina Sport family, and for me especially, to have you for your first visit, Haiti, to have you as my host in Lebanon. We spent 4 days of pleasant moments in tourism, street, boxing, music, visit of Citadel, Sanssouci Palace, Henri Christophe Campus University, relaxation at the beach of Bordeaux Monad, and we got last night many trumpet, many concert, or many disco. It was really amazing. What a promising partnership between Femina Sport, JKSSF, and the campus of Limonade. And I think we have exchanged with the youth of Limonade and the youth of Magenta, and reciprocal visits. Okay? And with the university, you have to plan with them, exchange music, drum, trumpet. Thank you again. My brother, my friend, my deacon.
Yes.
Because I'm a pastor.
Yes.
Pastor of sports. You are my deacon.
Yes.
Let's show to your public and with Haiti+Atlanta what we have here.
Yes, thank you so much, Pastor. I'm glad to be your deacon here, your ambassador, your American ambassador, as I plan to go back to the States to share the wonderful visit and the opportunity that we are going to develop here between Afro-Americans and Afro-Haitians so that our youth can exchange. I've enjoyed working with your youth, training them in boxing, performing, and visiting the university. Here we had boxing training where we saw many youth. They were very, very receptive to my instructions. Even though I didn't speak Creole, the pastor translated for me.
And you start doing good in Creole.
Yes.
Un, deux, trois.
Yeah. Comment ou et ou non.
Mais jump.
Mais jambes.
Comment y est?
Comment y est? Mais bon, mais femme.
One form.
One femme.
That's good.
So to my American friends and investors, we want to create a complex of development for the youth, for community development. We want to have a boxing ring here, platform, and resources, punching bag, equipment.
All the equipment and materials you need.
Yes.
For boxing.
For boxing,
Yeah.
for performance, for public display. Yes. Here is a fitness center.
Okay, let me tell you, we have medical clinic here, we have pediatry, we have dental care clinic, okay, here. It's the fitness, come on, Julian.